Mae'r rhain yn atgofion o fywyd ym Blaenau Gwent gan denantiaid yng Nghynllun Gofal Ychwanegol Llys Glyn Coed. Cafodd y ffilm ei chreu gan ddisgyblion o gymuned ddysgu Ebwy Fawr, a gyfwelodd y tenantiaid, recordiodd y straeon, a chydysododd y delweddau sy'n cyd-fynd â nhw. These are recollections of life in Blaenau Gwent, from tenants at Llys Glyn Coed Extra Care Scheme. The film was created by pupils from Ebwy Fawr Learning Community, who interviewed the tenants, recorded their stories, and assembled the images that accompany them.
The fashion, let me see. Well, trousers were coming in, and the denim jeans. My mother used to say, yes, it looked like a cowboy. I thought that was great. I didn't have a pair of jeans, mine, I'll tell you that now. My mother and father would play hell over that. Common way. And tight tops. Again, I was in trouble if they were too tight. My mother said, you're exposing yourself. I want them like winkle pickers, the shoes. They had pointy toes.